Hero headers. Depending on the template your website is using, you may have the option to add hero headers. These are normally large areas at the top of the page, either with an image or a block of colour. You can enable hero headers on a page-by-page basis. Enter the content you would like in your hero header, such as a title. You can then upload an image. And select the most important part of that image with our focal point tool. This helps to ensure the most important part of your picture is kept in view. You can now see your hero header in view. Hero headers can also be a block of colour. So we're going to change the colour and then save the page. And now we see that our header has a block of colour. That concludes this tutorial on hero headers.